What's up, guys? I got some new tools, so stay tuned. Alright guys, during my Christmas live stream, the maintenance man was giving away, did a couple giveaways, and one of them was this Geardrive set, and Mike Hodge won them, and Mike Hodge asked Neil to send them to me. So here they are. We let's take a good look at them. We got a 1/4 inch, 3/8. Half inch. They're made by Geardrive, same company as Work Pro Tools. Great company. Some people might nitpick that 90 is kind of off on the marking, but it's a tool. It really don't matter, right? It's still operational. So, let's start with the 1/4 inch. Let's take a look at it. Pretty nice. It's a 90 tooth. They're all 90 tooth. This is the older tech, then we'll compare it to it. Look, the thickness is about the same. The height is about the same. So this is just a 90 tooth. It's pretty nice. Now we'll go to our 3/8 set, our 3/8 one. And we'll compare it here to my Blue Point. It is thicker than my Blue Point one, and it's a little wider across here. Some people might ask that might not be in this industry why that matters. Is because if you get in tight spots, a thicker ratchet's more of a pain, but it's still a pretty nice ratchet. Here we got the 1/2 inch 90 tooth. And we're going to compare this one to my 120 XP gear wrench. It is slightly thicker. I think the width of it this way is a little bit skinnier. It feels real smooth. Overall, I think these are going to be good ratchets. There'll be videos here in the future of me actually using these, because to me, you can't know what a tool is going to be like until you actually just use it. Dog it like you use the rest of your tools. Like look at this Blue Point, how beat up it is, because it gets used every day. So we'll be going through and actually using this on jobs. This will be actually be seen in some videos. Actually being used, and I can't wait. I think this is going to be a great beginner sets for DIYers and small engine, because look, this got all the size. I use a 1/4 inch a lot. I use 3/8 a lot for spark plugs, and then a 1/2 inch I use for like the heavy duty stuff. So this is actually be a great set for small engine repair people. So I'll put that link down in the description, so if you might want to try them out for yourself. They're about $40 for this set right here. Comes in a nice foam organizer type thing. Fit perfect inside a toolbox. So I can't wait to try these. I think these are going to be pretty decent. So I'm going to post the link to Neil, the maintenance man, in the description. An Amazon link to these in the description. And I'm going to try to find Mike Hodge. He ain't got no videos yet, but he keeps saying he's going to post some videos. So I'll probably put all the links there in the description. I can't wait to get to try these tools out, put them to the real test by using them in the field. So until the next one, see you guys.